Let's start with the strongest punch in the animal kingdom, the mantis shrimp. Its claw accelerates faster than a bullet leaving a gun, striking with so much force that it creates a shock wave in the water, hot enough to briefly flash like tiny lightning. That punch can crack aquarium glass. It can shatter crab shells instantly. Pound for pound, nothing on Earth hits harder. Electric eel, the shock. Next, an animal that generates its own electricity, the electric eel. It can produce a shock of up to 600 volts, more than 5 times the power of a standard wall outlet. It uses the shock to stun prey, and even to defend itself against predators as large as horses. Its entire body is basically a living battery. Tardigrade, the survivor. Now for the toughest creature alive, the tardigrade, also called the water bear. It can survive being frozen to nearly absolute zero, boiled, dried out completely, and even exposed to the vacuum of outer space. When conditions get extreme, it shuts down its body into a suspended state and can come back to life years later.
Gecko, the climber. Geckos can walk straight up glass and even hang upside down from a single toe. Their feet are covered in millions of microscopic hairs, so small that they stick to surfaces using a force between molecules, not glue or suction. This grip is so strong that scientists have studied gecko feet to design better adhesives and even climbing robots. Bombardier beetle, the chemical weapon. The bombardier beetle defends itself with a boiling hot chemical spray. When threatened, it mixes 2 chemicals inside its body, triggering a reaction that shoots out a hot, irritating spray, aimed precisely at whatever's attacking it. It can even aim this spray backward, hitting a predator that grabbed it from behind. Immortal jellyfish, the time traveler. This next creature can turn back its own biological clock. The immortal jellyfish, when injured or stressed, can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life, essentially starting its life cycle over again. As far as scientists know, this makes it the only animal capable of biologically aging backward. Pistol shrimp, the sound weapon. The pistol shrimp has a claw that snaps shut so fast, it creates a bubble that collapses with a shockwave loud enough to stun or kill nearby prey. That snap briefly reaches temperatures close to the surface of the sun, for a fraction of a second. It's one of the loudest sounds made by any animal in the ocean. Axolotl, the regenerator. Finally, an animal that can regrow almost any part of its body, the axolotl. Lose a leg, part of its heart, or even part of its brain, and the axolotl can regrow it, fully functional, with no scarring. Scientists are studying its DNA closely, hoping to unlock similar healing abilities for humans one day. From punches stronger than bullets, to bodies that survive outer space, to creatures that can literally reverse aging, nature already built superheroes long before comic books did. If you want every animal with a deadly weapon explained next, let me know in the comments.